Hey there, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to thank you so much for stopping by, and I want to make sure that you are registered to attend my upcoming workshop, March 29th, and that's a Wednesday. It'll be at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And during this workshop, I am going to teach you and those who attend how to stop having the same fight with your partner over and over again. And the work that we're going to do in that workshop is going to be quick, but super impactful. And I just want to give you a little sneak peek of what we're going to go over. So we're going to talk about, what I'm promising, how to stop having those same fights with your partner. And most importantly, I'm going to teach you why it's happening. And then I'm going to share with you a simple strategy to change the trajectory in those moments. And honestly, the work that we do with just that simple strategy really is almost like the foundation that is going to allow you to have like expansion in other areas of your relationship, date nights, more of, like better communication, especially around maybe hot topics or that type of thing that are typically conversations you have in your relationship that usually don't go well, right? They have a history of not going well. So this work that we'll do on the workshop is truly foundational to set you up with just a small baby step. And that's what it is, because it's super doable, but it sets you up to do so much more. And then I'm also going to be sharing my secret weapon that I use in my own life and my household that gives me back 7 hours a week. So that's a big deal. Just think about what you would do with 7 extra hours of time. And so I would love for you to join me March 29th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for my free complimentary workshop. This is one of my life and relationship workshops, as I am on a mission to really see at least 1,000 marriages and relationships improved every single year through my work. And I am on a mission to do this work, and I hope that you want to be a part of it. So if you're ready to receive this message and receive some really simple yet powerful ways of how you can start making a difference in your relationship and do something different to get different results, then I want to make sure that you sign up. The link is under the show notes of this video, or you can just go to crystalallen.com/workshop. All right, that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and I look forward to seeing you on March 29th. Bye.